guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl LIANI, and in today's video I will be working with Yolova hair. So right now I'm showing you guys their bomb packaging. It has this holographic detail that I absolutely love, and then you just pull that part out and boom, there goes your wig in the bag. So they did give me some tweezers and a wig cap along with the wig and some lashes, which were bomb. Unfortunately, I misplaced my tweezers and lashes, so I'm not able to show you guys, but this is how the wig comes. It comes in a plastic bag, of course, with its labels on the outside. And now I'm going to take this beauty out the bag. I'm in my world, I'm out of time. 3 different highs, I'm off the ground. Look in my eyes, you see my trials, you see my tribulations, I was down. So this wig is a 13 by 6 frontal wig. It comes with 4 combs in total, 1 on each side, 1 in the middle, and 1 in the back. It also has a little bit of lace in the back, so if you want to, glue this wig down in the back, you can. And off rip, this hair is so soft, so silky, so shiny. I was in love. I couldn't stop running my hands through it. So I'm just showing you guys the luster and how healthy this hair looks. So now on to putting it on. As y'all can see, that lace is hella light, so I'm just going to take my foundation powder. I'm going to leave the details on the screen, and I'm going to take my brush and I'm just going to pack this color on until the lace is basically tinted. So yeah, just showing y'all how important and how much of a difference this actually makes. So yeah, make sure y'all tinting y'all lace. So now I'm gonna use my Ebin lace glue, and at first I'm gonna use some alcohol to dry out that area, clean it of all the natural oils on my skin. And let me tell y'all something about this Ebin lace glue. It is bomb. It's like eyelash glue but for your lace, because it's white when you apply it. It turns blue when it's drying, and it gets clear when it's dry. So it's so easy to install your wig. So yeah, now I'm just taking my comb and I'm just making sure that the hairline fits my hairline, and I'm cutting off the excess lace so that the hairline can stop right where mine does, so it can have that, natural look. So yeah, I'm just going to do that to both sides and make sure that this frontal fits my hairline. I done ran into a few complications. Promise me you always stay dedicated. You gotta promise me you never be scared of love no more. You took the vows for better or for worse. Leave, baby, leave, baby, leave. Gave me reason to believe in my dreams. Give me love, that's what I need, that's what I need. Now I'm gonna take that same foundation powder and I'm just gonna color my wig cap to make sure that it looks as natural as possible. And then I'm going to take the end of this eyebrow razor and apply my glue. And then I apply a thin, generous layer, and then you smooth it out so that way it isn't all chunky and whatnot. So yeah, like I said, this glue is bomb. It's blue when it's turning dry, and when it's ready, it's clear. So it makes everything so much easier. So yeah, I'm just applying the wig now, and this wig was so easy to do, to mold. All I did, y'all, to achieve this look and the fresh look when y'all saw the wig before I applied it, I just parted the hair and used a hot comb. Literally, this hair was so easy. And look how that lace just melts. I'm in love with this wig. Y'all need to cop up from this company because girl, it's giving scalp. It really is. Wait till y'all see. Wait till the baby hears, because this is definitely giving. We doing us, I didn't have no more patience, I was in a rush. I fell in love with music just like us. You working magic, baby, can you love it? You see the moon coming out at night, I got the rules standing by my side. We do these girls 3 at a time. I'm in my world, I'm out of time. 3 different highs, I'm off the ground. Look in my eyes, you see my trials, you see my tribulations, I was down. I seen the sweat run down the wall, we tryna have a good time. We tossing it up at the juke joint, sit by the bar at the juke joint. Me loving the car at the juke joint. I feel like it's time with everything. I don't know how deep y'all be looking into me, but I don't know if y'all can tell. But if you look at my ears, I did start my gauge journey. I am stretching my ears.
So if you guys want a video about that, about my experience, about how I'm doing it, and if you guys want to see me stretch up to my next size and y'all interested in that, leave some comments down below. Yeah, let me know what else y'all want to see too. Like, girl, I don't be knowing what to film, so y'all gotta give me some ideas. Help a sister out.
You took the vows for better or for worse. Need, baby, need, baby, need. Gave me reason to believe in my dreams. Give me love, that's what I need, that's what I need. I traveled through time, I walked the line and overseas. Before we do anything, we doing us. I didn't have no more patience, I was in a rush. I fell in love with music just like us. You working magic, baby, can you love it? You see the moon coming out at night, I got the wolves standing by my side. We do these girls 3 at a time. I'm in my world, I'm out of time. 3 different highs, I'm off the ground. Look in my eyes, you see my trials, you see my tribulations, I was down. I seen the sweat run down the wall, we tryna have a good time. We toasted it up at the juke joint, sit by the bar at the juke joint. Me loving the car at the juke joint. I'm sitting in the middle of an orgy. I put a smile on a whore bitch. I feel like my life is completed. I feel like it's timing with everything. I feel like it's timing with everything. Feel like it's timing with everything. I sit in the middle of an orgy. She did it right, it was gorgeous. She looking right, she was gorgeous. One hell of a night is a portrait. One hell of a night is a portrait. One hell of a night is a portrait. Sometimes I reminisce when I know that I shouldn't be doing this. Hoping that the end results, I don't want to ruin this. Palm trees influence this. Chronic trees influence this. Tootsies in Miami, these girls, they influence this. The JW Marriott in Dubai, it influence this. Take a few laps on the horses before the sunset. And I can see it from my window.
So after everything is glued down and whatnot, I'm gonna take this razor and I'm gonna cut off the excess lace, and I'm gonna cut as close to the hairline as possible. Some people like to have all that extra lace on their forehead. Me, if I don't need it there, I'm not gonna leave it there. So yeah, I just hate that look. And I'm gonna take some alcohol and get rid of whatever remaining glue was left exposed, because if you're about to do your makeup right after you apply your wig, girl, your makeup will stick to that glue, and that is not cute. So yeah, I'm just using the back of this comb to press down the lace, make sure everything's nice and secure, and then I'm gonna make sure everything is seamless and melts with the Gots to Be hairspray. This is literally the secret. After you apply your glue, just apply this hairspray, put your little wrap on or whatever you're using to secure that lace and hold down, and that melts. And yeah, get your wig together. So as you can see, I'm just hot combing again, making sure that lays as flat as possible. That's how it looks natural. You gotta get that hair to lay flat. You don't even gotta be the whole entire head. Just as long as that area right there is flat, you're Gucci. And then of course the hump on top, you gotta flat iron that back. You know, you can't be looking like you got a whole helmet on, sis. We not zooming that. Magic, baby, can you love it? You see the moon coming out at night, I got the wolves standing by my side. We do these girls 3 at a time. I'm in my world, I'm out of time. 3 different highs, I'm off the ground. Look in my eyes. So now I'm just gonna throw some curls up in this joint, and y'all know how I do my curls. In the front, I brush all the hair forward, and then I curl back, and then I curl the rest of my hair in that same fashion. I want all my curls in one direction this time. Normally I do it alternating, but I want them all to flow together. So yeah, I want my curls to be like super bouncy, so I'm gonna pin curl them right after I do them, so that it could cool in that state. So yeah, that's just a trick. If you want your curls to like really last, make sure you like set them and let them cool in the actual curl form. So yeah, I'm just gonna do this and let you guys see what I'm doing. So yeah, just enjoy this cool tune, and you know, turn up to Future. I sit in the middle of an orgy. She did it right, it was gorgeous. She looking right, she was gorgeous. One hell of a night is a portrait. One hell of a night. One hell of a night. One hell of a night. One hell of a night is a portrait. One hell of a night. 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 Before we do anything, we doing us. I didn't have no more patience, I was in a rush. I fell in love with music just like us. You working magic, baby, can you love it? You see the moon coming out at night, I got the wolves standing by my side. We do these girls 3 at a time. I'm in my world, I'm out of time. 3 different highs, I'm off the ground. Look in my eyes, you see my trials, you see my tribulations, I was down. I seen the sweat run down. Another thing, this video is hella sped up. Just know when I'm doing my curls, I'm going down like the strands of the hair so slow, I'm taking my time, making sure the heat penetrates it. So that's why the curl looks so bouncy and like full like that. You have to let the heat penetrate the hair. And if your hairline ever look crusty like this, girl, just touch it up with some alcohol, and not too much though, because you don't want your edges to lift, just the area right, like the exposed skin, not the lace. So yeah, I'm gonna take that same foundation powder and dust the sides, but that wasn't blending it enough for me, so I'm gonna take my liquid foundation. This is the Kiss one, and I think it's 340, and I'm just gonna use that and blend it. And girl, after I did that, you cannot see where the lace starts and my skin starts. Like, girl, what lace? Because it's literally disappeared and melted before your eyes. You didn't even, girl. So yeah, if that powder not doing the trick, girl, don't be afraid to use your liquid foundation, and don't be heavy-handed with it. Go very light with it on the brush. So now I'm doing my baby hairs, and you know how this goes. You take them out. You know the new trend is to curl it, so you get that little extra. So that's what I'm doing. You know, you can't forget that. And I'm just using Guys to Be Glued gel in the yellow bottle. You know, that's my Old Faithful, to lay these edges so that they could remain laid. You feel me?
Sometimes I reminisce when I know that I shouldn't be doing this. Hoping that the end results, I don't want to ruin this. Palm trees influence this, chronic trees influence this. Tootsies in Miami, these girls, they influence this. The JW Marriott in Dubai, it influence this. Take a few laps on the horses before the sunset, and I can see it from my window.
Yeah, so we're basically done. To get this look though, all you gotta do is take a wide tooth comb and comb it right through, and voila. So yeah, girl, we are done. Look how this looks like. It is my hair. Like, I just got a blowout, a fresh color, and yeah, y'all not telling me nothing. Y'all really not.
One hell of a night before we do anything we doing. Us, I didn't have no more patience, I was in a rush. I fell in love with music just like us. You working magic, baby, can you love it? You see the moon coming out at night. I got the rules standing by my side. We do these girls 3 at a time. I'm in my world, I'm out of time. 3 different highs, I'm out the ground. Look in my eyes, you see my trials, you see my triple X.
Just want to say thank you again to Yolova Hair for sending me this bomb wig. I will leave their info down in the description bar below. Make sure you check that out. There is a code down there for you guys to use on your way to checkout. So yeah, make sure you cop up this wig because it is bomb and it's very much giving Beyonce. Wait, girl. Yes, if you want to look at Beyonce, get this wig. Later, y'all. See you in my next one.